Fire shaped everything. Our bodies, our cities, our intelligence. It warmed us in the cold, protected us from the dark, turned raw food into fuel. But imagine something different. Imagine a world where fire was never discovered, not controlled, not understood, not passed from generation to generation. Lightning still struck the ground, volcanoes still burned, but humans never learned to hold the flame. No campfires, no torches, no sparks in the dark, just night, cold, and silence. Without fire, night becomes a problem. Darkness is no longer something you push back. It's something you wade through. Predators see better than you, hear better than you, move faster than you. And without fire, you have no way to warn them. No flickering light, no smoke, no crackling sound to say, humans are here. So humans adapt. They sleep lightly. They huddle closer. They avoid open spaces after sunset. Night becomes a time of fear, not rest. And when winter arrives, there is no warmth waiting. Only thicker fur, denser bodies, and shorter lives. Fire once gave humans time to think, time to talk, time to plan. Without it, every day becomes survival again. Fire didn't just heat our world, it reshaped our bodies. Cooking food breaks it down, releases more energy, makes nutrients easier to absorb. Without cooking, eating becomes work. Raw food demands larger jaws, stronger teeth, longer digestion. Energy that once fueled the brain now fuels the stomach. And brains are expensive organs. They demand calories. They demand rest. So without fire, human brains never grow as large, not because humans are less capable, but because biology chooses efficiency. Evolution rewards survival, not potential. Smaller brains, larger guts, more muscle. Humans become physically tougher, but mentally narrower. Abstract thought slows. Long-term planning weakens. Intelligence becomes practical, immediate, focused on now. Fire unlocked metal, and metal unlocked everything else. Without fire, stone remains stone. There is no smelting, no forging, no blades sharper than obsidian. Tools exist, but they are fragile. They break easily, wear down quickly, and must be constantly replaced. This limits what humans can build. No strong shelters, no complex machinery, no precision tools. And without durable tools, there is no technological chain reaction, no agriculture boom, no surplus food, no specialization. Everyone must hunt. Everyone must gather. No one gets to focus on ideas alone. Civilization stalls before it begins. Fire created gathering places. Campfires were more than warmth. They were meeting points, places where stories were told, knowledge shared, language refined. Without fire, there is no center. Groups stay small, scattered, mobile. No villages, no towns, no cities. Because cities require cooperation, and cooperation requires trust, and trust grows through shared time. Fire once forced people to sit together, to wait, to talk. Without it, language evolves slower. Stories are shorter. Traditions are weaker. History fades with memory. Human culture becomes thin, shallow, temporary. No fire means no engines, no steam, no electricity, no combustion. The Industrial Revolution never happens. Not late, not differently. It simply never exists. Nature remains dominant. Rivers are not dammed. Mountains are not tunneled. The sky is never conquered. Humans stay grounded, local, Biological. There are no machines to amplify strength, no systems to store energy. Progress becomes slow, incremental, bound by muscle and bone. Humans adapt to the world instead of reshaping it. Without fire, the planet is quieter. No cities glowing at night, no smoke rising into the sky, no artificial sun burning after sunset. The stars are brighter, the air is cleaner, the forests are deeper, animals remain dominant, ecosystems remain intact. Humans are not rulers, they are participants. Just another species navigating nature, not standing above it. And maybe that isn't entirely bad. So what does this mean? Humans still exist. They walk, they speak, they survive. But civilization, as we know it, does not. There are no monuments, no written history, no machines to remember us, just footprints and bones and stories that vanish when the storyteller dies. Fire gave us more than warmth. It gave us time, focus, momentum. It allowed humanity to escape nature, just enough to change everything. Without it, we may never rise above the animal world, or perhaps we never needed to. And that leaves one final question. Did fire make us human? Or did it simply allow humans to become something else entirely?